has a rich cultural heritage and mineral resources. Andhra Pradesh is a part of the Peninsular Shield. The eastern ghats and plains along the east coast are crisscrossed by the perennial rivers into discontinuous blocks of mountains. The interior plains and uplands covering Rayalaseema area and Northwest Plateau covering Telangana region form the physiographic division of the state, possessing rich mineral wealth. The tropical rainy regions are coastal and South Telangana districts. The dry districts of Rayalaseema are called hot steppe. The state experiences excellent climatic conditions with moderate rainfall and temperatures ranging from 18 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. In Andhra Pradesh, mining activity pertaining to mica, coal, asbestos, etc. was active for quite some time. Mineral being the non-renewable resource, the Andhra Pradesh state government embarked on an ambitious program of development of the mineral industry. To give scientific and systematic thrust to the mineral development, the government formed AP Mineral Development Corporation in 1961. The corporation started mining activity with a small equity base and took up mining of barytes. It gradually expanded its activities to mining of asbestos, ball clay, limestone, granite and semi-precious stones. The corporation achieved an all-time high turnover of over 44 crore rupees and had a profit of 14 crore rupees in the year 1997-98. The government of Andhra Pradesh, encouraged by the performance of the corporation, appointed APMDC as the nodal agency for systematic exploration and exploitation of rich natural resources, particularly gold, diamond, bauxite, beach sands, semi-precious stones, galaxy granite, and low-grade iron ore. In tune with the National Mineral Development Policy, the state's new industrial policy envisages development of the mineral sector in Andhra Pradesh with private participation. Many of these mineral resources remain unexplored and require exploration through application of cost-effective and state-of-the-art technology. The new policy encourages private investment in mining, processing, value addition, and marketing of minerals and mineral products. Since ancient times, gold mining has been in existence in the state. Occurrence of 7 greenstone belts known for gold mineralization have been identified in the southern part of the state. Systematic exploration has led to the identification of several auriferous zones in Chittoor, Anantapur, Kurnool, Mahbubnagar and Nellore districts. The Ramagiri, Penakacherla and South Kolar schist belts are important because of previous mining activity, current production and level of exploration. The present gold production is very limited and the investment in the state by way of exploration and development of gold deposits is likely to yield good dividends. Diamonds have fascinated mankind through ages with bizarre and orthodox beliefs, emotions and sentiments. The Kohinoor diamond of Andhra Pradesh stunned the world when it was presented to Queen Victoria in Great Britain. The world community looked at Andhra Pradesh for enchanting diamonds like the Pit, the Orlaf and the Great Mughal. The source rocks for diamonds in the state are kimberlite, lamproites as primary source, conglomerates and recent gravels as secondary source, spread in 7 districts. Five other districts are also known to have diamond-bearing rocks. Surveys have indicated about 50 kimberlite pipes with possibility of being diamondiferous. Results have indicated incidence of diamonds varying from less than a carat to as high as 35 carats per 100 tons of source rock. Most of the diamonds recovered are of gem quality. Andhra Pradesh is gifted with heavy mineral beach sands containing ilmenite, rutile, zircon, monazite, garnet and sillimanite, all along the 1,000 kilometers coastline. The surveys earlier undertaken all along the coast from Nellore in the south and Srikakulam in the north led to the delineation of 16 isolated heavy mineral beach sand deposits containing 19 to 25% heavies over a length of 320 kilometers with a width ranging between 120 and 1,150 meters. The Bhiminipatnam project in beach sand being developed jointly by APMDC, IRE and NMDC. Thus, there exists excellent scope for production of synthetic rutile, titanium slag, pigment-grade titanium, zirconium chemicals, garnet powder, high alumina refractories, etc. Andhra Pradesh holds 550 million tons of metallurgical-grade bauxite, which constitutes 27% of India's total reserve and occupies the 2nd position in the country. The bauxite deposits occur as cappings, stretching from Gurtedu in East Godavari district to Chintapalli and Araku in Visakhapatnam district at a distance of 100 to 180 kilometers from the port city Visakhapatnam. These deposits offer tremendous scope for large-scale mining and manufacture of alumina and aluminium. The world's largest and thickest barytes deposit, with a reserve of about 74 million tons, that is 28% of the known barytes reserves of the world, is located at Mangampet in Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh. The deposit is spread over 0.82 square kilometers with a maximum thickness of about 40 meters. The barytes is grey in color and finds extensive use in oil well drilling industry and for manufacture of barium chemicals. Low-grade barytes is found to be amenable to beneficiation. Excellent prospects exist for establishing beneficiation plant and barium chemical industries. Andhra Pradesh is gifted with large tracts of different varieties of granites occurring almost throughout the state. Geologically known bronzite-bearing gabbro, by virtue of the twinkling effect of bronzite, attained its commercial name of galaxy, resembling the twinkling of stars in the universe. This galaxy granite, unique in the world, occurs 30 kilometers west of Ongole town and has great international demand. The demand for raw, cut and polished granite has been multiplying from Taiwan, Italy, Japan and Singapore. The deposit can sustain large-scale mining and processing facility, providing excellent opportunity for export of polished granites. In an effort to give thrust to this, the government has decided to offer Galaxy granites to private entrepreneurs under joint venture with APMDC. Low-grade magnetite quartzite deposits are distributed in a series of small, disconnected hillocks extending over a length of 52 kilometers from Samampudi in the south and Vemparala in the north near Ongole town, which is 18 kilometers from the sea coast. Of the 10 deposits identified, the Marlapadu Konijedu is the single largest deposit, lying 12 kilometers southwest of Ongole and is well connected by a fair weather road. On detailed investigations, the Konijedu Marlapadu deposit is proved to contain 66 million tons of low-grade iron ore with 29% iron. In the beneficiation tests, the concentrates grade has gone up to 68% iron. The deposit can sustain 3 million tons per annum of crude ore operation to produce 1 million tons of concentrate for about 20 years. The condylite is the most dominant rock type in the Eastern Ghat Mobile Belt, which extends from Prakasam district in the south and Srikakulam and Khammam districts in the north. The semi-precious minerals exclusively occur in pegmatite bodies, intruding into condylite's group of rocks. Among the semi-precious stones, the cat's eye and alexandrite and the gem varieties of chrysoberyl are predominant. The moonstone and tourmaline are also reported to occur. Andhra Pradesh possesses several strategic advantages for investment by the entrepreneurs for establishment of mining and other industries. The largest port of Visakhapatnam and a number of minor ports provide access to international trade. Krishnapatnam port under construction close to the mineral base can provide easy access for bulk movement of commodities. The state, with 4 major airports, provides easy access to the different regions of the state. Hyderabad is already an international airport. The capital city Hyderabad has direct flights to Singapore, Malaysia, USA and the Gulf. And Visakhapatnam Airport is earmarked for facilities of international standards. The state has widest rail network. Southbound trains pass through the state. The power supply in the state is without cuts and interruptions. New power units aggregating to 6,000 megawatts are being put up. The state is expected to be surplus in power by the year 2000. The Vision 2020 document envisages exploration of untapped potential in the mineral sector. The corporation, through an ambitious program and private participation, wants to develop the abundant mineral resources in the state. APMDC pledges to translate the government's vision into reality. APMDC encourages companies with financial strength, marketing ability and advanced technology to take part in the mining sector by forging joint ventures. The corporation would assist the entrepreneurs in the promoting of joint ventures and in obtaining necessary approvals and clearances. Andhra Pradesh, the state of plenty and prosperity, has now attained a new status, the land of opportunities, the land where development has acquired a new vision, the land where the people work hard to develop resources and shape a new Andhra. Come, share your expertise and invest for a brighter tomorrow. We have the global outlook and a long-term perspective in international partnership. Together, let us discover a new world.